Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this session we will solve this geometric problem. Here we have a quadrilateral that is ABCD and angle ADC is 90 degree and its two side lengths is given. Side length AD is 105 centimeter, side length BC is 100 centimeter, and we have M is midpoint of C and D. As M is midpoint of side length CD, so the length of CM that will be equal to length of DM, right? So these two side lengths are equal. Next, two diagonals, that is AC and BM, are intersects at point E such that the angle CEM is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree, so all the angles will be 90 degree angle, right? So these four angles are 90 degree each. And finally, we will have to find the value of AB, side length of AB, that is given x. So we will have to find the value of x. Now before we start, please everyone give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe our channel. And one more thing, this video may not exact with the scale. Now for solution, we have connected point A and M. Now let's concentrate on the right angle triangle ADM. So we'll concentrate on this triangle. According to Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square is c square, right? Here c is the longest side, it is am. So c square will be am square, right? It is am square. Now here these two side lengths are equal, means dm is equal to cm. So let's take cm and dm is equal to y. So both these side lengths are y centimeter and y centimeter. And we have AD is 105 centimeter. So we'll write 105 centimeter plus another length, that is dm we have laid is y. So it is y square. So now from here am square is, so it is am square is y square plus 105 centimeter square is 11,025. It is 11,025. So this is our first equation. Now another side length, that is BC, is given, it is 100 centimeter. Now we'll concentrate on triangle BCE. So we'll concentrate on this triangle. It's also a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagorean theorem, we can write a square plus b square is c square, right? And its longest side is BC and the value of BC is 100 centimeter. So we can write 100 square, right? Now another two side is BE. One is BE square, so we write BE square plus, and the another is CE square. It is CE square. So now this expression, it is BE square plus CE square, that is equal to 100 square is 10,000. This is our second equation. Now in the next, we'll concentrate on right angle triangle ABE, means this triangle. So we'll concentrate on triangle AEB. Its angle E is 90 degree angle. So triangle AEB. So again, according to Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square is c square. Now its longest side is AB. So AB here is x. So we can write it is x square is equal to, now another two length, one is AE. So we'll write AE square plus another length is BE. So it is BE square. So here AE square plus BE square, that is equal to x square, right? And we will leave this equation as equation 3. Now in the next, we'll concentrate on triangle CEM, means this triangle. So now here the side length of, so now the triangle here is CEM. According to Pythagorean theorem, it is a square plus b square is equal to c square. C square here is longest side. Now its longest side is cm and the value of cm we have laid is y. So it is y square is equal to, other sides of this triangle is ce square, it is ce and its square plus, and the next is em square, so it is em and square. So here we have calculated ce square plus em square, that is equal to y square, right? And we laid this equation as equation 4. Now in the next, we'll concentrate on triangle AEM. Its this angle is 90 degree angle, so it is a right angle triangle. So here we have triangle AEM. Now here again, according to Pythagorean theorem, it is a square plus b square is c square. C here is the longest side, that is AM. So here it is AM square. Its other length is AE, so it is AE square plus next is EM square, so it is EM square. So here we have calculated AE square, it is AE square plus EM square, EM square, that is equal to AM square, right? And it's our equation 5. So now for further solutions, we'll add equation 3 and equation 4. So equation 3 plus equation 4, right? The left hand side of equation 3 is AE square plus BE square, and the left hand side of equation 4 is CE square plus EM square. And now right hand side of equation 3 is X square plus right hand side of equation 4 is Y square. Now we'll let this equation as equation 6. Now in the next we'll add equation 2 and equation 5. So equation 2 plus equation 5. So equation 2 left hand side is B square plus C square. And left hand side of equation 5 is A square plus EM square. And the right hand side of equation 2 is 10,000, right? It is 10,000 plus right hand side of equation 5 is AM square. Now we'll leave this equation as equation 7. Now next step, in this step we'll compare equation 6 and equation 7. Now left hand side of equation 6 and 7, here it is AE square, here also it is AE square, BE square, here it is BE square, CE square, C square, and EM square is EM square. Now left hand side of equation 6 and 7 are equal, so we can equate right hand side also. So now right hand side of equation 6 is X square plus Y square, and that will be equal to equation 7th right hand side, that is AM square plus 10,000, right? Now right hand side of this equation is AM square. Now in first equation we have calculated AM square. The value of AM square is Y square plus 11,025. Now we'll substitute AM square with this value, so it is Y square plus 11,025 plus here it is 10,000. So in the left hand side we have X square plus Y square. Now Y square in the left hand side and right hand side is cancelled. So finally we have X square, it is X square, that is equal to here 11,025 and 10,025 is 21,025. Now for calculating the value of X, we'll square root both sides. So here we are squaring root both the sides, here square root and square value is cancelled. So here we have X, that is equal to, and the value of square root 21,025 is 145. And here we have calculated the value of X, that is equal to, the value of X is 145 and the unit of this is centimeters, so this is centimeter. So finally here we have calculated value of X, that is equal to 145 centimeter. This is our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a comment on the video. Thank you for watching the video.